Hey there, today we are diving into something that could revolutionize how AI understands and interact with user interfaces. OmniParser, the screen's new best friend you can call. Imagine you're having an AI that can look at any screenshot, whether it's from your phone or from your computer, and instantly understand what's clickable, what each button does, how the entire interface works. That's exactly what OmniParser does. It's like giving an AI a pair of smart glasses that can read and understand any screen it looks at. Using a combination of advanced AI model, a fine-tuned YOLO V8 model detecting interactive elements and customized blip to for understanding what these elements are actually, OmniParser transform messy, unstructured screenshot into clear and structured textual data. So we will see how we can configure it and how we can, run it in our local computer or how we can, get most of it. Let's dive into this. So before diving into any coding part, I want to show you what kind of computer I am using. So I am using a computer that is, let me show you. Um, I'm using a computer which has 49 GB of VRAM, that is A6000 GPU, and it has 6 virtual CPUs and 48 GB of RAM. I have already cloned that repository from the official Microsoft OmniParser repository here. All you need to do first, you need to create one Conda environment. Now I have already created a Conda environment. I'll just activate it through Conda, activate Omni. You can create any Conda environment, and I'm going to install all the dependency from here. Pip install -r requirement.txt. So let's see what are the dependencies are there. These are the dependencies. You can get it from the repository. Now what I'll do, I have to download the weights of that model. Now the next step is I'm going to download all the weights of this model. So you can find the weights from the Hugging Face. Here you can go to this files and versions, and all these three folders have the weights of these models. Now to download this, you can just clone this repository. You need to install git lfs. If you have not installed, please install it. I'm going to clone it in this same directory. It will take some time as it is almost 5 GB. So as you see, these weights are downloaded. So what I'll do, I'll just transfer these weights from here to this folder. Um, I'll select all three. This one, this. Then I'll just move to this weights directory. Next, I need to run this to convert these tensors to PyTorch tensors. So for that, I'll run this command python weights, and then the file name is convert safe tensor pt. Yeah, sounds good. Just to verify, once this is done, you'll see this best.pt in this icon detect model. So now you will find a demo.ipython notebook. This is here in this repository. I'll just open it. I'll try to run it. Okay. So the first step is to load the best.pt, which is responsible for detecting icons. Let's load it. Sounds good. Let me minimize this window a little bit here. Yeah. Next, I will load the model responsible for caption generation. This one, which is Florence 2. Just check the models are on the device. Yes, that's fine. Next, okay, let's see what this Google page PNG um, looks like. It's just a web page. Let's try to run it. So generally what it does, it opens the image and then feed into this particular function check OCR, which is giving us the OCR bound boxes. Now, also this particular function get some labeled IMG, it's giving us the labeled image of those bounding boxes. Let's see what it has given us. Yep, this is the one. Looks like it's working very well, and almost every icon uh, I have in this image, it has annotated properly. Let's see what is the parsed content list and the label coordinates. Sounds good. So this is something like this particular, let's say the first icon, what it has detected, which is this one, this particular in private one, which is at the 0th index. It has the coordinates these. This is in form of x1, y1, x2, y2, something like that. Sounds good. I want to also experiment with another image, which is actually a image of an iPhone home screen. Let's see how this let's see how this comes up. I have to change this name. iPhone.jpg. Looks good, but it has missed few things like this McDonald's icon and then these three icons. But yeah, it actually, it's always we have the rooms for fine tuning and retraining this model with custom data. But yeah, it works really amazing. So there is also a Grade.io application that has been given with this repository that you can run, which is this one, Grade.io demo. Let me run it from here. Python Grade.io demo. It will also take some time to get loaded. That is done. I have my browser mapping with this VS Code. So here is the Grade.io app. You can play with this particular hyperparameter, the box threshold and the IOU threshold. I'll just put something a little bit higher and then try to load, let's say this one, and submit. Oh, okay. I should submit after it has been loaded, like this. Yeah. Yeah, looks like it has detected all the icons in this particular screen. So in this video article also I have discussed few potential use cases, I mean industry use cases for this particular AI model. Let me know your thoughts. This can be a one step closer to make a completely autonomous computer use agent. And I have discussed this how this model can be beneficial for some industrial use cases. Let me know your thoughts. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question comments below. Thank you once again.